everybody, my name is Harold with ASA Electronics, and today we're working with the JMS32. It is an AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, and auxiliary radio. To Bluetooth pair with the JMS32, you can simply tap the pair button on the left side of the radio, and I will enter Bluetooth mode. Then press and hold the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode, where the radio begins counting down for 120 seconds. During this time, it is discoverable to other devices like your smartphone. If you open up your smartphone during this time, you should see JMS32. On the right side of the radio, there's a gear wheel button. If you tap this, it will let you cycle through audio settings like bass, treble, fade, and balance. If you press and hold this button, you will access a menu where you can control brightness levels, region levels, things like that, as well as a reset built into the menu. The star button allows you to set presets for your favorite channels. The JMS32 allows for 12 preset channels on AM and FM. The JMS32 secures to a surface with a bracket on the back and two nuts that get threaded on to hold it to your surface. Also on the back of the radio, you'll find your power and speaker wires, as well as a USB port. The USB port on the back of JMS32 supports 16 gigabytes or smaller flash drives and reads WMA or MP3 audio files. Also on the back of the radio, there are two sets of RCA cables. A set for inputs if you want to connect like an auxiliary source that can convert to a headphone jack, or there's another set of outputs that you can connect like a subwoofer to.